that occurs the end of a chapter and the beginning of a new one in the life of every student. It is a time to celebrate their achievements, reflect on their journey, and look forward to the future.
I am Angel Ashir, and it is my great privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you. Let us begin this beautiful occasion by acknowledging the presence of our esteemed dignitaries and guests who have graciously joined us to make this day even more memorable. First and foremost, it is my honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Yogesh Gupta sir, Principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya Kusmunda. Sir, your presence here today inspires and motivates us. We are truly grateful to you for taking the time to join us on this joyous occasion. On behalf of entire Nirmala family, we welcome you, dear sir. I would also education and your inspiring leadership are truly commendable. We are honored to have you with us today to share in our celebration. With heart full of joy, we the Nirmalites welcome you, dear sir. I take immense pleasure in welcoming our beloved principal, Sister Shani Ma'am. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our respected Vice Principal and Manager Sister Navina Ma'am. Your constant guidance and care have played a vital role in shaping into who we are today. We are truly grateful for your presence here today. Hearty welcome, dear sister. As it is to our achievements. Welcome, dear teachers. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all the parents present here today. Dear parents, your love, support and encouragement have been the foundation of our success. Today's celebration would not have been possible.
Teaching and non-teaching staff, and our most loving outgoing students. Your life is your story, and the adventure ahead of you is the journey to fulfill your own purpose and potential. They may be remembering their first day when they came to school holding their parents' hands, and then parents with full faith handed them over to us. They have spent their childhood carefree days under the guidance of their loving and caring teachers whom they adore till date. It is the book quality, that feeling of gratitude towards people who are part and parcel of their book of life. There comes the most crucial phase of their lives, the teenage, where with the support of the parents, counseling, seminars, we handled them pass through the difficult path, and now they are at the threshold of their adulthood, more mature than before. We thought of gifting back the polished gems back to their parents, who are an indispensable part of their lives. Today I am feeling highly honored and privileged for getting the golden opportunity to present the report of our outgoing students for session 2024-25. First of all, I would like to thank God for His abundant blessings. He has blessed us with everything in our favor and fulfilled our wishes. One of the example, whereas other schools start publishing advertisement for admission, we have to declare that admission closed. Curriculum prior to the new session, we adhere to NCF. We prepare our curriculum exactly according to the CBSE norms. It consists of academic and non-academic. Our aim is to provide our students a healthy environment in the school. With academic section 2024-25, we are blessed with 91 students from the three streams, Maths, Biology and Commerce. For optional subject, we have opted Computer Science, Physical Education and Hindi. English is common in all the three streams. Class teachers. Reverend Sister Navina Mary is the class teacher for Science stream and Reverend Sister Dania Mary for Commerce stream. We have an infrastructure which fulfills the CBSE demand and also gifted with highly qualified and well-experienced teachers who are perfectly guiding the students exactly according to the pattern of CBSE. Our expert faculties. For Science stream, Physics, Miss Pooja Sharma, Chemistry, Mr. Jayanand, Maths, Mr. Narendra Gupta, Biology, Miss Shruti Singh. For Commerce stream, Accountancy and Business Studies, Mr. Kanwajit Sandhu, Economics, Mrs. Sabrina Rajuka, English, Mrs. Mausmi Mukherjee and Mrs. Hima Kaiwal. Optional subject, Hindi, Mr. Gopal Yadav, Physical Education, Mr. Asim Rahman, Computer Science, Mr. Vikas Sahu. Our main aim and motive is to nourish their minds with good thoughts. They do not be distracted from their right path and should understand their responsibility towards life. Extracurriculum activities. We are proud to announce that our school is now embracing whole child approach to education, incorporating a robust co-curricular program that will be nurture not just intellectual abilities but also personal and social developments which is beyond the classroom. Benefits of co-curricular achievers are good fitness level, development of leadership skill, develop cooperation and teamwork, boosting confidence, promoting creativity, their social skill, build confidence, develop leadership skill and personality, etc. Fusion Fest 2024-25.
Our school, Nirmala English Higher Secondary School CBSE Risti, had organized a Fusion Fest successful on 10th of October. The Fusion Fest combines all styles of underground music scene and various other competitions. Science Expo 2024-25. Science Expo 2024-25 held on 20th December, showcasing a diverse range of students' LED project across various scientific disciplines, demonstrating a strong commitment to fostering scientific curiosity and practical learning within the school community. Students presented a wide array of projects including models, medical camp, yoga camp, chemical reactions, and more covering all major scientific fields. Annual Sports Meet 2020 and opening ceremony featuring a vibrant march past, band display, and cultural programs. The annual meet concluded with the prize distribution ceremony where the winners were Anu Sharma from Commerce Stream, gold medal in 11th State Mukhyamantri Cup, and gold medal in National Kickboxing Tournament. And Master Aniket Kishore Paswan from 12th Commerce participated in SGFI State Level Football Tournament. Apart from the sports, various activities are conducted for students to polish assessment. Throughout the academic section, we follow the different modes of assessment. The main exam conduct for them are the follows. First, weekly test and practice paper 1, 2 and 3, which was totally based on board exam pattern. Parents teachers meeting. After every examination, PTM and paper showing is a part of our curriculum to make the parents of the awards performance. We organize seminars, counseling, parent seminars so that they can take better care of. Here I would like to mention that special attention is given to the slow learners through remedial teaching and conducting extra classes. In co-scholastic part, for the overall development of a child, we planned our curriculum in such a way that even on Saturday we have 6 periods. The students for class 1 to 12 are divided into 4 houses. The houses are blue house, green house, red house and yellow house. Also, there are 5 clubs which are interested in different activities to organize house-wise competition. The clubs are Integrity Club, Heritage Club, Social Awareness Club and Heuristic Club. To accomplish great things, must not only act but also dream, not plan but also believe. At last, I wish our students best of luck. Children, you will be always in our prayer. You are the torch bearer of our school. Spread the light of goodness. You are the fragrance of the flowers to spread them not only in our country but throughout the world. You are peacemakers. Wherever you go, spread an aura of healthy atmosphere. We believe that you are surely going to sparkle in academic and non-academic area. God bless you along with your nearest and dearest ones. You will ever be in our prayers. Thank you.
principal, DPS school, Korba, house principal, ma'am, vice principal madam, all the learned staff of this Vidyalaya Kid, and dear students and parents. Let me first thank you all for inviting me here and become a part of this celebration. It's a celebration, I think. Yes or no? So we are celebrating this event. This is a graduation ceremony, and children, I feel proud and privileged that I am among you people, that we need to share our ideas. So many things happen here. Good things are there. Madam has read all the reports that what you achieved in this all 12 years. And children, now this time to bring yourself in a new journey of your life. So children, I feel that I am among you and I am not here as a principal or as a chief guest. I feel that I am one of you. I remember my school days, and when we were celebrating this farewell ceremony, we call this a farewell or this blessing ceremony. So I remember all my this school days, and I also feel that today also I am a learner, I am a student, I am a learner, not a principal. So I will try to learn few things from you people, and one thing that I missed here, I need the impressions, the feedback of some of you students, that what you have feel, learned in all these 12 years. Almost I think you might have studied in this Vidyalaya, in this school for 12 years or more than that. How many of you completed 12 years of education in the same institution? Good, good, good. So many are there. So let me ask few questions from you people, because one thing that really should be here, the impressions of the student that are going to pass from this.
In our life, to achieving our goals in our life.
Okay. Anyone else? Education is the key to success. So I think any uneducated person cannot be a successful person.
No.
Is that true?
No, sir, but
Is that true? Yes or no?
no.
The answer could be yes, it could be no.
No.
Anyone else? I'm trying to learn, children, from you people.
Sir, key to success means if we will work hard, then we will get the success.
Okay, we'll get the success. What's the definition according to about success? When we will see that I am a successful person.
We can see that we are a successful person when we see our parents proud and our nation proud from our works.
Okay, good. Any other?
Different people have different opinions about success.
Yes,
right?
definitely. See, it's not, there is not, okay. So it is irrelevant that we are successful. It's not important to become a person of success. It's important that you must become a person of value. सफलता उतनी आवश्यक नहीं है जितनी कि सार्थकता. समझ रहे हैं इस चीज को? Okay, success की कोई such we cannot, you may not be. Okay, for someone you might.
कर सकें.
Yes, definitely.
और ये दो वे में होते हैं, एक अच्छे और एक बुरे, तो ज़्यादातर अच्छे होने चाहिए.
Okay, अच्छे बुरे. See.
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छू के हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। धूप में छाँव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहमे से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छू के हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है। तुझे अब ये दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आंधियां क्या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा, जो लक्ष्य है तेरा लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना मुश्किल कोई आ जाए तो, पर्वत कोई टकराए तो, ताकत कोई दिखलाए तो, तूफान कोई मंडलाए तो, मुश्किल कोई आ जाए तो, पर्वत कोई टकराए तो, पर से चाहे अंबर से आग लिपटे चाहे पैरों से नाग, पर से चाहे अंबर से आग लिपटे चाहे पैरों से नाग, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है।
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ, दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ, करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां, शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ।
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना, जब नजदीक से देखें तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना।
खूबी एक ही एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार खामियाँ, करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां, शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ।
मगरूर।
है ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
है ठान लिया ठान लिया। ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे तो ये फलक मगरूर। बेबस होके तेरे आगे दिखेगा मजबूर। तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना 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 तुम ताना ना 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 द्वारे। तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना 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 तुम ताना ना 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 द्वारे।
भले कोहरा घना तो मगर गम न मना, जरा कदम बढ़ा ये छट जाएगा। भले कोहरा घना तो मगर गम न मना, जरा कदम बढ़ा ये छट जाएगा।
नजरिया बदल के नजारे बदल दे, खिलाफत के सारे इशारे बदल दे। पैरों पे आके तेरे मंजिल रुकेगी लिया।
ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
है ठान लिया। है जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर दे, करे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे। हो जोगी रे जोगी तेरे मन के सितारे कर दे, करे मौज मीनारे रब बख्शेगा तुझको किनारे।
ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
Graduate, you have graduated from the school life. Now you are all set to move into a different trajectory. You all are now going to be to different universities. You all will be pursuing courses of your choices, and thereby you will also decide for a forthcoming board examinations. In fact, I look forward to welcome you to my school. I guess you have BP.
Please listen. Our respected
Principal Sister Shani Mary is and Head Girl Miss Angel Ashir. Thank you so much, respected sister and students too. So, special occasion, let's put our hand together and may I invite Miss Kavya Shukla for the.
Good morning, all dignitaries on the dais, respected principal, Sister Shiny Mary, Sister.
A light which gave a
Darkness in the world did not extinguish the light of a single candle.
May your life be enriched wherever you will be. As I always say, observe everything around you and overlook many things, and always mind your mind and of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. And where there is sadness, joy. Grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in giving that we receive, it is in pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is in dying that we are born to eternal life. Thank you, children. God bless you.
thank you so much.
Give a huge round of applause.
This is a small token of love from occasion that is the graduation ceremony 2024-25. Honor, a small token of love from our Nirmala CBSE family.
Your presence is highly appreciated, sir. Thank you for giving your time.
And we are truly blessed to have him here with us today. Thank you.
मैं
हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी, कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुशनसीबी। हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल। हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी, कल मिल जाए तो रहे या ना रहे